And now, your Big 2 local weather authority forecast. We warn you first with meteorologist Derek Sibley.
Good morning to you here in Big Spring. Live look outside on top of the historic hotel settles right now. We got a gorgeous sunrise outside with some of those clouds mixed into the blue sky outside this morning. And if you are in Big Spring, you are one of the locations that lucked out here for some of those thunderstorms. They passed way down to your south and west here over the last 12 hours. We're going to start this loop over, and you can see last night impacting areas such as southeast New Mexico and southwards here into the Trans-Pecos overnight. Definitely saw some heavy rain, lightning, thunder, you name it basically, and some of those storms became a little bit strong out there too. Now, as of right now here early this morning, as around sunrise, those showers and thunderstorms have really tapered off here quite a bit. We were watching here a very strong shower near north central Pecos County near Fort Stockton, but it looks like this particular shower is continuing to weaken as it continues to basically remain almost stationary. Crane County saw some wet weather here as well early this morning. Most of the showers and heavier thunderstorms are way out to the south along areas such as Terrell County and along the border here of Texas and Mexico and just south of Highway 90. These showers and thunderstorms were packing quite a bit of lightning activity, and they continue to pull away from us now as well. Now, for the rest of us here, we're just going to be left over with some of those showers dissipating here over the next couple of hours, what's ever left over with them as well. And most of us here in West Texas, by the time we get to around 8 a.m. this morning, are looking quite nice. But there is a chance, though, that we could be looking at yet another round of possible storms off to our west as far as the western locations are concerned. By the time we get to around 5 p.m., those thunderstorms will make their way towards the south and east. As we head to around 11 p.m. tonight, we can expect those thunderstorms to be affecting parts of the Trans-Pecos area. But as you can see here for the Permian Basin, we are just looking nice and sunny as those storms here, what's ever left over in the Trans-Pecos, will begin to weaken as we head towards overnight tonight. So unlike last night and overnight, those storms really lingered on. I do expect those storms that will form out west to dissipate as we head into the overnight hours tonight, though. As we head into tomorrow afternoon, most of West Texas, if not all of us, are looking at mostly sunny conditions, and we finally get a break in some of those thunderstorms because, you know, the last few days we've been dealing with some severe weather with some of those thunderstorms, and we have another chance of seeing that today. This is a very low chance, though, a marginal risk of seeing severe weather for southeast New Mexico, southward and towards parts of the Trans-Pecos Mountains. The main concerns with those storms are going to be the large hail and the damaging winds, and of course we can't rule out the possibility of seeing some flooding for our western locations this afternoon. But most of us today are going to see the clouds clear out as we head towards late this morning into early afternoon. Lots of sunshine by around 4 p.m. with a high temperature of near 95 degrees, and I do expect the rest of us today to be into those mid-90s today as well. So we are actually pretty mild for this time of the year, and as we head into tomorrow, we are expecting very similar temperatures to take shape here for West Texas, with highs there, as you can see, into the low to mid-90s for all of us here pretty much. As we head into tonight, temperatures dropping down to the upper 60s. We got partly cloudy conditions that are expected to occur, and a little bit of a breeze out there out of the southeast, 10 to 20 miles per hour. Here's a look now at your 10-day forecast, and those temperatures are really going to begin to heat up as we head into next week, with highs approaching those triple digits on Monday and then the upper 90s throughout the rest of our next work week ahead. So just brace yourselves, make sure to take those precautions such as drinking plenty of fluids and try and stay inside, if not at least take breaks if you happen or if you have to be out there. Remember to also download the Your Basin Weather app to get constant updates on those temperatures and of course those push alerts that you can sign up for on the Google Play or the Apple App Store.